Good afternoon, dear students. We will continue our English literature unit 4 today. And in unit 4, in last class, we have done a poem named Why. And today we will start our next chapter, Alice in Wonderland. So, open your books, page number 66 of unit 4, Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. Wonderland means an imaginary place. Okay. कोई इमेजिनरी वर्ड जो आपने इमेजिन किया हो, जहाँ मैजिक होता हो, जहाँ पे फ्लावर्स मैजिकल फ्लावर्स हों. ठीक है. कोई भी फेरी की जैसे आपने परियों की कहानी में जो वर्ड के बारे में सुना है उसे वंडरलैंड कहते हैं. ठीक है. जहाँ पे सब कुछ इमेजिनरी होता है. सो एलिस इन वंडरलैंड. एलिस कहाँ? एलिस इन वंडरलैंड. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर चैप्टर फर्स्ट. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. So one day, this is the story when Alice was lying under a tree and she was listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. Suddenly, Alice saw that a white rabbit run from that place, from that side. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. And the rabbit has pink eyes and the rabbit was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." So when he's running from that side, the rabbit took out his big watch from his waistcoat pocket and quickly go from that side and said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." So the rabbit said to himself that I will be too late. She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. So when Alice saw that rabbit, Alice thought that something is different about this rabbit. So how the rabbit is different? Because he could talk, it wore a red waistcoat and it carried a watch. Because the rabbit is carrying a watch with him and he's wearing a waistcoat and he can talk also. Alice wondered. A talking rabbit. So Alice wondered that she saw a talking rabbit. A rabbit who wears a waistcoat. A rabbit who is wearing a waistcoat. And Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. So Alice was burning with curiosity means she wanted to know, she has the strong desire to know about that rabbit, to know more about that rabbit we can say. ठीक है. एलिस क्या है, उस रैबिट के बारे में जानने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा उत्सुक हो गई. ठीक है. एंड शी फॉलोड द वाइट रैबिट. और उसने उस वाइट रैबिट का पीछा किया. शी फॉलोड द वाइट रैबिट. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. So जब Alice when she followed the rabbit, rabbit started running. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole, and when the rabbit was running, the rabbit popped means the rabbit jumped into a rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. Alice क्या है? Alice also jumped into that hole. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. The rabbit क्या है? He went down, 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 so deep down the earth into the hole, into his rabbit hole. Alice said aloud. So Alice said loudly. What she said? Where am I? मैं कहाँ हूँ? ठीक है? Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? Alice thought that I have I have come so much down. I have come so much miles down. I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. So Alice thought that मैं इतना ज़्यादा नीचे आ गई हूँ, मुझे लगता है मैं अर्थ के सेंटर में पहुँच गई हूँ. ठीक है. Alice thought that she is near the center of the earth. She wondered, will I slip through the earth to the other side? So when he jumped into the hole, when she was falling down and down, she thought, she's imagining that she must be in the center of the earth, and she will if in the same way she will come down and down, she will maybe she will come from the अदर साइड ऑफ द अर्थ, वो शायद अर्थ की दूसरी साइड से अब बाहर आएगी. ठीक है, इतना ज़्यादा मैं नीचे आ गई हूँ, एलिस इतना नीचे आ गई है. थंब, एलिस लैंडेड ऑन अ पाइल ऑफ ड्राई लीव्स. सो अचानक से क्या हुआ, एलिस ने लैंड किया. वेयर शी लैंडेड ऑन अ पाइल ऑफ ड्राई लीव्स. ड्राई लीव्स मीन्स जो सूखे पत्ते हैं. ठीक है, पाइल मीन्स जो एक उसका बहुत सारी जो पत्तियां हैं, ढेर है जैसे. ठीक है. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. She looked around quickly. So when she landed on the dry leaves, she looked around quickly for the white rabbit and she saw that white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, so when she saw that white rabbit, what she see that the rabbit was disappeared. Or when the rabbit was disappearing, the rabbit said that, oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting. ठीक है, rabbit said that, whiskers क्या है, जो animals की जो मूछें होती हैं उनको whiskers कहते हैं. ठीक है, oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting, इनको आने में कितनी लेट हो गई है. ठीक है. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. Alice खड़ा हुआ, stood up and saw a small door, और वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा दरवाज़ा था. About 15 inches high, और उस दरवाजे की क्या हाइट थी, 15 inch. 15 inch means 15 inch is the height of a big ruler, big scale. Okay, जो एक बिग स्केल होता है वो 15 इंच का होते हैं. ठीक है, उतनी हाइट का एक वहाँ पे एक डोर था. It was too small for her to go through, and the door was too small to go through from that door. तो वो दरवाज़ा क्या है, बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा था कि एलिस वहाँ से जा सके. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. So Alice, when she was thinking that the door was very small for her to go out, so उसने क्या देखा, एक टेबल जिसपे एक गोल्डन की थी, गोल्डन चाबी थी. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her delight it fitted. When Alice saw that key, Alice ने क्या किया, ट्राई किया उस की को, दरवाजे को खोलने के लिए. तो क्या है, लकीली उससे वो दरवाज़ा खुल गया. ठीक है. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden. Alice ने जैसे ही वो दरवाज़ा खोला, Alice ने क्या देखा, a loveliest garden she had ever seen. इतना सुंदर गार्डन जो उसने शायद कभी देखा हो. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. So एलिस ने जब उसको देखा, गार्डन को देखा, एलिस का क्या मन हुआ, एलिस उसको देख के बहुत ही ज़्यादा हैरान हो गई, बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हो गई. इतना ज़्यादा सुंदर गार्डन देख के, उसमें ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स थे, उसमें बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर फाउंटेन्स थे. तो एलिस थॉट दैट इफ flowers and those cool fountains, but she couldn't not even get